Alfrancis Chua, born January 17, 1966, is a Filipino sports executive and former basketball player and coach. He is currently the team manager of Barangay Ginebra San Miguel and the sports director of San Miguel Corporation SMC, overseeing the professional sports teams of the SMC Group, Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, the San Miguel Beermen, and the Magnolia Hotshots. Barangay Ginebra San Miguel 2012-2013. Chua returned to the PBA in January 2012, joining Barangay Ginebra San Miguel as team consultant. On January 1, 2013, Chua was appointed as head coach and led the team to a runner-up finish during the 2013 PBA Commissioner's Cup. On July 25, 2013, San Miguel Corporation, owner of Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, announced that Chua was appointed as team manager and Ata Agustin would assume the position of interim coach for the 2013 PBA Governor's Cup. Executive career concurrent with Chua's assumption as team manager of Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, he was appointed as alternate PBA governor representing Ginebra San Miguel, Inc., GSMI in the PBA board. On July 17, 2015, the Philippine Star reported Chua's promotion to full-time PBA governor for GSMI and his appointment as sports director for San Miguel Corporation. In June 2015, Chua was elected as president of the Basketball Coaches Association of the Philippines BCAP, succeeding Chito Narvasa. He was succeeded by Louis Gonzalez in June 2019. In February 2018, Chua was appointed Special Assistant to the Rector for Sports Development of his high school alma mater, Colegio de San Juan de Letra. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.